What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again. In this video, I'm talking to you guys about my third dividend payment with MFA Financial, ticker symbol MFA. This one is pretty exciting because I just got a dividend increase, a 33% dividend raise as far as the dividend payments are concerned with MFA Financial. So this is actually kind of exciting, and you guys get to see what happens when you get a dividend raise as far as your dividend payment being more per share. That's what we're talking about in this video. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and on this channel I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. All right, so when it comes to the stock market, once again, your boy has been all the way down. And the reason why I like to repeat this information in the video is because there's always new viewers watching the video, and I want you guys to have the most transparent picture or perspective of what's going on or what's gone on in my experience in regards to the stock market. So right now I have on the screen my portfolio with Robinhood. I have all my money with Robinhood, which is kind of an interesting thing because it makes sense to have your money all underneath the same roof. It's just really convenient that way. So currently I'm kicking it with Robinhood. So right now you can see my portfolio is valued at $225,000. I'm actually still down. So if I click, right now the market is open. So this is live, right? But if I click on all right here, and then I show you guys, I really started to reinvest in the stock market in May 2020, but I did some investing like earlier, like 2016, 2017, where I lost like $4,500 and then I quit. So that's why the line is completely flat here, right? And then of course, like I said, I started to reinvest in May 2020. And since then I've put in $226,000 into the stock market. Now, there was a time where I was down negative 63,000 right there. I just like to show that because I want you guys to have the most realistic snapshot of what's going on with my portfolio. All right, so I'm still down like almost 2 G's, but that's okay. I've definitely kind of made my way and dig myself out of that negative $63,000 hole. But the reason why I like to talk about that is because like this is the not glamorous side of the stock market, and this is very real. The average person is going to have a negative experience with the stock market, especially if they don't know what to do, what companies to invest in, and so on and so forth. That's why I'm sharing my journey with you guys so you guys can learn from my mistakes, hopefully, and do better than I am currently doing. Well, I'm going to go ahead and click on MFA Financial. I already have that opened here. So currently, as you guys can see, they're trading for $4.65 right now. This is live. My current market value is $4,918.02. Overall, my total return with MFA Financial is I'm up $865.55, which happens to be 21%. That's really exciting. That's actually very, very exciting because that's very, very good for me. My average cost per share is $3.83. As you guys can see there, I currently have 1,058 shares, okay? If I scroll down here, I will go to show more. So I'll click on show more here, and then I'll click on dividends. And so you guys can see my very first dividend payment was back in January for $75. At that time, I had 1,000 shares, okay? And they were paying 0.075 cents per share. The second payment was April the 30th, as you guys can see here. And at that time, I had 1,019 shares. They're still paying 0.075 cents. And then here we go, the most recent dividend payment, which was July 30th. As you guys can see, this company pays dividends quarterly. July 30th, my most recent dividend payment right here, as you guys can see. At that time, I had 1,036 shares, and they bumped their dividend payment from 0.075 cents to 10 cents. This is extremely awesome because, as you guys can see, my dividend payment there is for $103.69. Now, if I had gotten paid the same amount, let's see, I have 1,036.92 shares times 0.075 cents, I would have gotten a dividend payment of $77.76. Okay, so $77.76, which would have been okay, right? You see that the dividend payment you see $75, $76.48, and then this recent payment supposed to be $77.76, which once again is not bad, but they chose to increase their dividend payment, or what they're paying per share, from 0.075 cents to now 10 cents. So it's like I got a raise. Like, that is super duper awesome. I made more money from the dividend payment just because the company decided to pay more to people that have investments with the company. That's pretty exciting, you guys. That was actually one of the first times that I noticed that, and that's really, really cool. Just because, like, literally I gained basically like almost $30, right? $30 more in regards to dividend payments because they decided to increase their dividend. So I was really excited about that, and really excited to show you guys that, just because I think that's pretty freaking incredible. All right, that's gonna be pretty much it for this video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe. And once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.